Hello, my name is Pastor Donnie Husledge, and this is my wife Cassie. This is just a thank you video to say thank you for being part of our barbecue cook-off. You made it one of our greatest events ever. Almost 70 visitors. We had 11 people competing for barbecue, and we appreciate you being with us. The worship was fabulous. It was just a great time. You can find us on the internet at alcgeorgetown.org. That's alcgeorgetown.org. Or you can call me at 512-844-4197. Thanks for making this a great event, and we hope you can make our church your home. We love God, we lift people, and we launch ministries. Have a wonderful week, and God bless you. Thank you again.
You dance over me while I am unaware. You sing all around, but I never hear the sound. Lord, I'm amazed by you. Lord, I'm amazed by you. Lord, I'm amazed by you. How you love me. You paint the morning sky with miracles in mind. My hope will always stand, for you hold me in your hand. Lord, I'm amazed by you. Lord, I'm amazed by you. Lord, I'm amazed.